Sideman is an underrated gem of Bali. It's about an hour drive from Ubud. As soon as we arrived here, we felt this area will have a special place in our heart. Gives you the chance to see the more authentic side of Bali. You can choose from many nice accommodations here, and most of them will have a stunning view, either of the rice paddies or the beautiful Mount Agung volcano. You can go for endless walks on the rice field. You will see locals working, and you find hidden trails in the jungle or in the riverside. We walked for 3-4 hours non-stop, and we saw so many beautiful places. You can also go rafting in the river if you are brave enough. Just imagine green fields as far as the eye can see. It's a place without fancy coffee shops. Here you will not see too many tourists. You can interact with locals and eat in local warungs. Also, if you stay for a few days, you can explore the surroundings. Plenty of nice waterfalls. Stay with us because we will show you our favorite.
Guys, today I'm gonna show you that Sideman is not just only about rice field. We are at the waterfall Gembleng. Yes, I have some support here, and this waterfall is very famous for the view, and they have a kind of jacuzzi up there. So stay there and let's refresh ourselves together. Leg day as always. Let's get going. In all the fairness, the steps are quite easy. I didn't even start. As you see, you are here with me, and we are 1/3 of the way, so I cannot complain much. It just looks very steep, but it's going good, or my legs are getting well trained here. Vicky, you good?
Yeah,
Don't give up.
it's easier than I thought, and it looks. I'm trying.
Woohoo!
Not there yet.
Oh, look what is the jacuzzi, guys. I hope you are brave enough to enjoy it. I'm gonna definitely swim. Here it seems to have some made up steps which make our life slightly easier. I guess the water gonna be slightly cold. Oh, I see already the view. The view is amazing. Let's see the water. Ooh. Oh guys, the view is unbelievable. Are you ready for it? Not sure how deep is this jacuzzi, as they call it. Oh, it's deep. Ooh. Ah, cold. I'll show you the view. And here is where I am. The jacuzzi is not that deep. It goes up to the waist. There you go. So you can sit comfortably and enjoy the view. It's so peaceful and quiet. As always, nobody here, just the two of us. A great experience. Thank you, Sideman. While I'm sitting here, few things are good to be mentioned. There is no entry fee, it's based on donation. Today we left 30,000, so 15 each. And wear proper shoes because it's not too hard to get here, but a trainer or a nice sandal will do the job.
It's so nice here, the water is fresh, cold, and we enjoy that it's only us, so our tour guide is just taking videos and pictures, we are posing, and the sun is out, beautiful.
That's Adi. He was very kind to us. He walked us up here and now he's taking a bunch of pictures, so later on we're gonna post on Instagram. If you don't follow us, I'm gonna leave somewhere here our Instagram so you can start following. Thank you, Adi. Guys, if you're looking for a place to chill, relax, put your troubles away, that's your place. It's so relaxing. We don't want to get out from here. Initially it was very cold, yes, but now we want to stay here forever. It's a little bit cold. On our way out, we just figured out there is another jacuzzi. So let's check it out. Seems to be up there. Woohoo! So guys, which one you prefer? This one with the waterfall or the previous one? Leave down in the comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. Not enough? We got to know there is a viewpoint, so let's go up there and see, again and see how is the view from up there. Oh wow, guys, walk with me to Piki and you're gonna see the view. 1, 2, 3.
Look at this.
That's it for the waterfall. Now we are looking for a place to have a nice coconut. We did some research, there's something around here. Let's see. I meet you there. Bali, Indonesia. Not always the plan comes reality. So after trying 3-4 restaurants, none of them had coconut. In fact, it's quite hard to find coconut here in Sidemen. Not sure why. But then on the way we found some farmers and we grabbed one. And we're gonna enjoy here by the pool. The day is amazing. See you in the next one.